Minister's Garib Kalyan Yojana scheme, under which 3 months of free rations are being provided nationwide for BPL card holders, is a very good scheme. Considering the present COVID-19 situation, loka kamna, people are suffering, loka jewan melna. So this free rice was a gift for them. But this true intended intention of this scheme is not being served. These cards, BPL cards, were made in 2003. So many years have passed by. The socio-economic conditions of these people having these APL cards have changed. But now I know so many cases in this village who are really suffering. Card yellow cards. Yellow cards means if they are having the APL cards. So if they cannot get this free rice, and this I feel is injustice to them. The scheme is meant for the needy people, but the needy people are somewhere madam. So जायचा लोक आमगे village I know, who I personally know, and I've been interacting also. They are suffering, really suffering, because them the free rice madam, which is something madam because their only fault is they are having those APL yellow cards. So considering this fact, we have written to the Honorable Civil Supply Minister, Mr. Govind Gaude, because of the people's, because they had contacted Zam Sangtale Baba Kite Kore. So we have written to the Honorable Minister asking for urgent steps to change the status of this yellow card holders so that they can get the benefit of the Prime Minister Garib Kalyan Yojana, under which 3 months of free rice and tur dal, whatever they are giving. So pending which this time will take long time. So during this time, what we have asked, at least as an interim measure, we will provide you the list of these needy villages of this village, so that at least through our list you can give them the free rations. That much can be done from the government side. And as a Sarpanch of this village, on behalf of the Panch members, all these villagers, myself and the needy villagers also, I make a fervent appeal to the Honorable Chief Minister as well, plus the Civil Supplies Minister also, to take up this matter. You have done a very good scheme which is meant for the poor, but it is not meeting the really needy people. So I think amge gawan lok aha them tum consider kore. We will give you the list as per their economic conditions, because this APL cards were made in 2003. We just realized that, and please we request you to look into this matter, and we will give you the list, and please provide these people free rations for the 3 months, and if you have not done, even give them as areas.